Welcome to the SwiftData course, where you will learn how to efficiently manage and manipulate data within your iOS applications using the SwiftData framework. Are you ready to streamline your data management process and improve the efficiency of handling data in your apps? With SwiftData, you can easily create data models, interact with databases, and perform CRUD operations with minimal code. This lightweight framework offers features like data previewing, data validation, and error handling to make working with data easy. Throughout this course, you will dive into topics such as setting up your projects, creating Swift data models, utilizing the model container and context, previewing sample data, saving and deleting data, and exploring the benefits of using Swift Data Framework. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills to effectively work with data in your iOS applications, improving the overall performance and reliability of your apps. Are you ready to become a master of data management in iOS development? Let's get started on this exciting journey with SwiftData.